All right, cool. I am back. I just got back from taking the Winnebago out. And this thing's a blast. Oh my gosh, this thing is so much fun. I was wanting to check the ride height. I had it a little bit too high last time. I thought it was kind of cool, but it was a little bit too high, especially for this body being so heavy and up so high. Made it way too top heavy, and I wanted to give it more of a scale look, so I got it down, and I was wanting to take it out and check the ride height. And so, yeah, I think I like it way better now. Still more to do, but I just want, the main thing today was just checking the ride height, and I think I like it. I think it looks good, right where it's at. Especially sitting on a SCX10, Axial SCX10 chassis, I think it looks pretty good, man. And driver looks cool. All right, so let's unplug some of the stuff while we're hanging out here. Let's turn off the ESC and the radio. Get that off and unplug the battery here real quick. And get that in there. Then while I'm here, let's move. This is the chassis I've been working on. It's an SCX10, Axial SCX10 chassis. And it works. It works underneath here, so that's cool. Pretty excited about that. Just some extra stuff I had laying around, wouldn't do anything with. And why not put it to good use? Put it underneath this Winnebago. So yeah, good stuff. Man, I got this thing down with some Velcro in the back here, and made some stainless steel trays on the side here for everything. The battery, of course, I'm probably gonna run a much larger battery than that normally, but I got a little guy in there just for today. And yeah, got a place for my receiver and ESC and everything. So cool, man. Got everything. Got the ride height the way I want it. Got a little bit of suspension, not a lot, but some. And yeah, that's looking pretty good, man. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Got the lights on. Got my driver in there. He looks cool. Love it. And we'll go ahead and turn the lights off on this guy real quick while we're here. And yeah, man, thanks for following along, guys. This has been fun. These Winnebagos are a blast, and if you can get one, get your hands on one of these things, do it. Have some fun with it. Make yourself a Winnebago crawler, trail truck, RC. They're fun. This has been a blast. It is heavy. It is heavy. I will say that. But that's been a blast. Just wanted to show the ride height. I think I like it. Man, that's so much better. Oh my gosh. I know I say this every time, but all these, this is gonna be my favorite RC, man. I know I say that every time, but this is gonna be one of my favorite RCs. Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, cool. Now I get on to putting some windows in this thing. Been wanting to do that. Been excited about putting some windows in here and working on the interior and getting this out and have some fun with it. All right, cool. Good stuff. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching Kibbs Cave. I appreciate it. Keep RCing. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.